My entire coolant system was literally just replaced in this car. I don't know, not that long ago. A couple months ago, maybe. And my coolant light's on. Yeah, we're back, guys. Welcome back to TK's Garage. And in this video, we can see that if you remember, not too long ago, CarMax replaced basically this entire cooling system. So all of these hoses, both of these, the water pump itself, which is right there. You can still see the sticker on it. And unfortunately, it looks like this expansion tank again has not had a good situation. Not a super big leak or anything crazy, and it was just sitting, and I started it this morning, didn't get the notification, but I got here to the gym, and then I go to leave the gym, and boom, notification, and sure enough, she's low. So we're gonna top her off with some coolant right now and see once I seal the system up if she will work. Also, the cap looks horrible. Like, look at all of the burnt, like, you know, the coolant around the cap, and it was hard as hell to open. Worse than the last one, which you guys remember was a big complaint for me. But yeah, let's put some coolant in it and see if she still leaks. All right, I got her filled just to the max line there. You know, where I can, you know, just a tiny bit over that, which should change as soon as I fire up the system. And it should suck some more coolant through the system, which we're going to do here in just a second. Now, I bought this coolant way back when I was having to put coolant in it like every couple hundred miles when it was telling me whatever, and we found out that the weep hole on the water pump was bad. So, you know, having that extra coolant in the car definitely helped out. Now, being this is a BMW, I wasn't going to try to drive it if it said, you know, possible to continue driving, but go to your nearest service center and put coolant in the car. And it was like, nope. And this cap situation, I don't know, maybe my other people, BMW people, can let me know. Like, that thing, I'm going to have to keep a friggin' channel lock set in the car just to be able to grab onto that sucker and break it loose. Like, that sucks. Looks like we're good there. I can button her up, and hopefully it won't be all screwed up when I try to get her on. Like, putting it on definitely wasn't as hard as taking it off. I can tell you that right now. And do we see any more fluid leaking? I don't. So we're probably good. But I mean, that is the first time in, I don't know how many miles that was. I think that was the first time in, I'm trying to think how many miles it would have been. Probably 20,000 miles. And that's gonna suck. If I gotta replace an expansion tank on this car like every 20,000 miles, that's just bad design. I'm sorry. Because, I mean, let's be honest, like, if your coolant system is low of coolant, like, that could seriously screw you. Like, if you run hot and you blow your motor, that's on you. 100% on you, you know? But it looks like we're good as far as the coolant goes, so that's a positive. And it was just something I wanted to document, because I know people will be like, oh man, you know, all you had to do was replace that water pump. It's never going to have another issue. Well, about that. About that, it's never going to have another issue. yeah, no. But I mean, it didn't run hot. It literally just happened as soon as I started it, but it's still concerning to me that it did that. Super concerning. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Just a quick little update. I wanted you guys to see it, and I wanted it to be documented here on the channel. My washer fluid is also low. That is the most annoying triangle tone that I've got in forever. Just that constant FU. Like, it makes you want to fill it up. It's just like, ugh. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and get out of here and get my day started, which, you know, I left the gym. Now it's time for me to get some coffee. If you guys can even see that, at Einstein Bagels. And they got this 6 cheese joint in there that I like to punish. And then I'm going home. Gotta recuperate, man. Gotta recuperate. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm sure we got other videos and content for you guys later today. And I will catch you guys very soon on the next one.